All right, so we'll be watching FCSC over 295 potentially. I don't have anything I'm super crazy about today. Over 290 is a possible spot. No, selling off a little bit, 269. So the high a day right now is 84. So over 85 is possible scalp. 3.6 million shares of volume. Watching it over 85. I'll take a starter here. I'm taking a quick starter at 82, anticipating the break of 85. I want to see it break 90. No, it's not breaking 90. I'm all out. So, on that one, what I thought I saw, and I'll just bring this down to like a 5-second chart just so you can kind of see. This is what I was I thought I was seeing. That little pullback there. I knew we needed to break over 85s. It started to curl up right there. I took my starter at actually 77, and we got to move up to 90, which is 13 cents right there. And it's not that that's exactly what I was going for, but 720 bucks on 9,000 shares. So go back to a 1-minute chart. The high a day is 90. New order is going to be at 95. I was obviously wanting it to break over 95 and then break $3 and then be selling, 305. But once it couldn't break 90, I was changing the bias and bailing out. AMRS, I'll take a quick look at that one. AMRS. 35 million share float. Being profitable with 200 shares, you could do in the large cap room. You wouldn't be able to do that in the small cap room with commissions. However, trading with 200 shares as proof of concept to prove that you can be profitable before commissions is okay. And then you just start scaling up your position size. FCSC, watching it, still over 90. Orders at 95. So that was technically a red to green setup. I'm back in at 90 here. There's 93, 95. No. Sold it on the ask at 93. It needed to break over 95. So the high there is 95. And this is sort of the problem when you have these stocks with this much volume pre-market. They just already start the day as tug of war. So traded 9,000 shares on that, made like 3.5 cents per share. I'm up $1,000, but that's only 11 cents or so with 9,000 shares. Still, of course, if you only traded 900 shares, $100 is not a bad day. So 295 is still the spot to watch. Small wins, they do add up, no doubt about it. Sometimes these ones, they take a couple tries. So watch it, at 95. There's a lot of sellers there at 95. I'm going to wait. Well, that's the way it sometimes goes. That's the one I wait on. That's the one that breaks out. So from 95 to a high of 10, it's 15 cents over 10. A lot of sellers there. You can see how much, how you just have the buyers, but the price isn't breaking that level. It's not moving up. So I could move an order to 310. 328 is the daily resistance. 7.3 million shares of volume. This is one of those stocks where if I keep trading it, I'm going to end up trading, 150,000 shares, and each trade is to make 3 cents, 4 cents. It kind of, it's hard to really want to do that. So typically I probably would have been trying to get in around there, but let's just watch this for a second. High of this current candle is 307 with 30 seconds left. I see AMRS moving up. I'm surprised it's moving up as much as it is, but I'm just going to keep focusing on FCSC right now. Sellers at 9, sellers at 10. There's 15, 17, 13, 10, and 11 on the bid. 10 on the bid. 9, 8. $308 by 310. Right, so we definitely want to see it hold the $3 area. You can watch a pullback here and see if we can get another opportunity. High day is 317. 8.5 million shares of volume. High of the current candle is 313. So, technically, you're the first 1 minute candle to make a new high, but I'm going to give it a second. I would say $3 is the important spot to see it hold above. Psychological support there. High of the current candle is 307 with 30 seconds left. Sellers at 3, 298, 295. So it probably could have made a little more on it, but 10 million shares on FCSC. I think for now, the easy money might be done on it. I'm not sure. Red doji on the last 5-minute candle. In some ways, breaking over 311 or 313 would probably result in a retest of high of day, but you're only talking about 4 or 5 cents. It's just not a lot there. So for right now, I'll probably be done with it and wait for better opportunities.